Justus, we've been through quite a few factors that are at play over in the Kenyan market space. Let's take a look at what you're making of the movement you're seeing within this bigger picture.
Well, my view is that the figures that we are seeing in the market right now had been anticipated, given the fact that we have an ongoing Kenyan public infrastructure bond offer. So the feeling is that as long as that bond is on offer, it's actually closing today, we are likely to be seeing a subdued market response to a lot of what offers and buyers are in the market. But after today, I think the market is likely to see some pickup.
Well, let's take a look at Kengen's share price on the NSE specifically, because the bond looks like it's going to be fully subscribed, and that effectively enhances the value of the equity, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, it's an interesting scenario. In fact, we have had a lot of debate on what is likely to happen, given the fact that investors have a choice between investing in the bond and also buying shares from the market. Given the fact that the bond ranks higher in terms of security, there's a likelihood that investors will be more interested in the bond than in the share. And given the fact that we are also waiting for the end year results for Kengen, we're also watching out to see how that is likely to play out, so that we can exactly know whether investors will again be interested in the share after the bond offer closes today.
Just how closely are traders watching the actions in the US and the action that they're going to take regarding the post-election violence against those who have been slow to reform? Do you anticipate measures being taken that are going to affect investor sentiment?
My view is that, well, to an extent, yes. The happenings in the market and on the political front actually are interrelated. But remember also that the Kenyan government is saying, well, we shouldn't be dictated to. But at the end of the day, if you are not doing things right, then of course even your countrymen will not support you, especially if they feel that they are oppressed or that the reforms are not coming through as fast as they should. So at the end of the day, of course, investor sentiment looks very closely at what is happening on the political front. And the view is that for as long as this issue of reforms is long running and there is push and pull, we are likely to see that filtering into the stock market.